Another day, another adventure. Jack, come. Something super scary just happened. Do you want to talk about it?
This thing is a kind of a message to all RVers out there.
Yeah.
When you change either a tool or a way, don't double check what you do, triple check what you do. So to make a long story short, bought the extra, and then as a wanted to get everything better. We trying to get lighter, more streamlined, and I made myself some
carry
wood.
Less stuff.
Yes, exactly. So basically, and then we bought those stacks, orange stacks.
I think it's like one of the first things that I bought.
Yeah, most probably, right? So when we bought it,
not yet.
Yeah.
After, okay.
When we bought it, we didn't really use it because I made some more in wood and everything.
Yeah, we used it maybe once
or twice maximum.
So, funny story.
Yeah.
Hi, we're gonna do s'mores. Bye bye.
So funny story. I had bought like rubber mats to put on our steps to make them anti-slip for winter.
Yeah.
But they were too small and too narrow, too short.
Home,
yeah.
At home, outside.
Exactly, yeah. So they were too short and too narrow. We have discovered that they're perfect for leveling the rig.
It's amazing because they're long enough that I just pile them up and then I'll just roll on top, and I think basically my rig is a bit off from an inch and a half on one side, so it's always the same size. We keep putting those mats.
Yeah.
So when I bought the extra, I said, oh, let's try with the stack kind of blocks, right? And then I used the blocks on the foot in the front. But before, I used to use that big rubber mat plus a wood block on top. But what I didn't notice is that the wood is pretty sticky, doesn't slide, neither the mat is.
Yeah.
And then when I parked the rig in our home, the drive was a bit slanted, so I kind of parked the rig, put the foot down, lift up, and then when everything was done,
we put the orange blocks to level.
Not at home.
No, here.
Oh yes, well I'm talking at home.
Sorry,
That's fine,
yeah,
fine.
okay.
So
my bad.
And then when everything is done and the truck was unhooked, I finished with the chuck, those triangular chalk to stop the rig from going anywhere, right?
That is a big mistake.
That is a big mistake because
Do not do that.
Today I used the stacking orange one, but they're made of pretty much, but rigid plastic, right? They're like engineered to be
but
solid.
They're slippery.
But we noticed that they were really slippery. So what happened is I put the foot down, started lifting up the rig to unhook the truck, and then when the truck unhooked, the rig started moving backward. And then double safety. I didn't undo the chain, so the chain was there, and the breakaway cable came off and stopped the rig.
The thing that saved us was that the brakes blocked the trailer.
Well, it did the job.
Yeah.
But then again, we had double safety. The brake did the job, and I didn't unhook the chains from the truck. So worst case.
And the truck was on handbrake.
Handbrake as always.
Always.
As always.
That's an important safety.
Yeah. So apparently Kate will sleep very lightly tonight.
I'll show you why I'm a little bit. This site is not leveled. It's kind of going
downhill
this way,
kind of thing. Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And I'm freaking out. I was even freaking out opening the slide. I was like, just the weight of the slide is going to... I'll show you. This is where Jack had put the orange cones. I guess I should show you. Not the cones, but the orange blocks. You can buy them on Amazon. These ones. You see what I'm talking about, right? So we decided we wanted to try them here instead of using the wooden blocks, so that we don't have to drag the wooden blocks around with us. And this is the rubber mat that we were telling you about. See, it's like a anti-slippery for the steps in your house. Okay, so that's what I mean. So here we have those mats again to level the trailer. But before that, we have put the blocks, those orange blocks, and we had not put the chalks yet. And I'll show you our chalks. They're actually really, really good chalks, and we highly recommend them. And the reason we bought them was because they were highly recommended by Mark from KYD. These chalks. They're rubber, they're super inexpensive, but they're very triangular, so your rig is not going to roll on top of it and just keep rolling off. They really block your rig, and they have like anti-slip at the bottom, so they stick to the ground. Really good. So yeah, and these are the X chalks that Jack was telling you about, but those are like stabilizers. You do not use those to stop your rig from rolling. So the important lesson here, kids, is put those chalks before you do anything else. Once you level your side, put the chalks and then keep going with your business. So anyway, I'm super stressed out. I am not gonna sleep well tonight. We are at the Mont Orford National Park this weekend. We're just here for 2 nights, a little relaxed R&R. And tomorrow we'll be going, hopefully, because it's supposed to rain, we should be going for some apple picking in the morning and a hike in the afternoon with Stefan, Nick, Juliet, and Evan, our friends and our kids' friends. We'll show you that. That's going to be super fun.
This place is not beautiful. This place is amazing.
Oh, it's a video. No. Yeah. Okay, so it's there's Macintosh. Oh, then she says it's in pick 21. I don't know.
I like Cortland. Can I go to Cortland?
They're not ready yet.
They're not ready yet.
It's only Macintosh.
It's Macintosh and Lobo right now.
But they look ready.
Do I have to press it again and it goes in?
No, you have to.
Like, am I gonna get kicked out if I go there?
Or push, whatever.
Why do you have to do this? Why can't you
Follow the
rules?
Don't push the button.
That was hilarious. Do it again.
No.
It happened in class and I just opened
I don't like them. Okay.
How to pick an apple? Do you remember how to pick? You turn the apple,
Shake the tree
and then
and
you pull
On your head?
slowly.
What?
Now,
Mommy,
I'll
is
get
this
my
a good
knife.
apple?
That way.
what did
It is a good apple.
you can eat it? Yeah.
Tell us about the weird apple.
Look at this apple. Look how this one shaped, and this one, and look at this one. It's very round.
That's because it's not an apple.
I know.
Try.
Wanna lift me up? As you should be. Your face is about to be broken.
I need a support.
Use your abs for support.
Maybe take off your bag. I don't know. Just saying.
Let's see if I can get low enough. No, it's too. Really?
Get low, low, low.
Now, queef.
What? What is your son singing?
Fight!
No.
Kids, get your Evan.
I'm holding you.
Hey, go to the left.
To the left, to the left.
Left. Learn your direction.
I'm concentrating.
Pivot.
Pivot! 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 Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Here, put this in the bag, please.
Okay. Oh, this looks like a butt.
You done?
Put it in the bag.
Wait, no, don't move, Nick.
You're so tense. Why are you so tense?
You're scaring me, Nick.
You're literally not even falling.
I got you.
Stop with that. You're 11 years old. Grab.
It's because the whole swing set is swinging with you, so maybe not too high, yeah? Do you see the legs, the feet moving in the middle? Look at the feet. Yeah, see, they're loose. Oh, honey, I don't think that's gonna... Maybe go on the other swing set, babe.
Okay. Let's go on the other swing.
Good job. You guys are such big girls. It's crazy. Oh, Valentin found the tractor. I don't know. Its tires are pretty clean.
I just walk.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Sounds like the tractor's broken.
Starting to rain. Hey, you guys, it's starting to rain. Let's go.